Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another tutorial and I hope you're all doing very well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these cute little box pouches. How cute, how cute, how cute. If you want to learn how to make this, you guys, you have to stay tuned and watch this video right through to the end. I'm not even kidding. You have to watch it right through to the end. And these are going to make the perfect Christmas gift as well. So, you know, if you really want to learn how to make this, just keep watching. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, you guys, come on. What are you waiting for? Let's subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below and join the family. To all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing and welcome, 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 welcome. Yes, guys, let's keep the momentum going, okay? Remember to share this channel, share with your friends, with your family members, with your uncles, with your aunties, you know, with your neighbors, everybody that you can think of, just share, okay? There's love in sharing after all, so let's keep it going. Without further ado, let's jump right into today's tutorial. So the fusible, the outside pieces and the lining pieces all measured at 13 by 10 inches. The small piece for the tab measured at 7 by 2 inches and the zipper is 14 inches long. So I'm gonna go ahead and iron on my fusible interface. So now that I have one of the outside pieces with the wrong side placed on the table, so you just want to place the right side of the zipper on the right side of the fabric and then place the right side of the lining piece on the back of the zipper. So once you finish doing that, make sure everything is flush together on the edges, and once you finish doing that, you want to go ahead and pin everything together. So once you've successfully pinned everything together, you want to take that to the sewing machine and just sew straight down. Make sure not to catch the teeth of your zipper when you're doing this. So you want to go ahead and check that everything is fine before you proceed. Now place the other outside piece with the right side facing up and place the right side of the zipper onto that piece like so. You want to make sure that everything is lined up correctly. Then you want to place the lining piece with the right side facing inwards on the back of the other lining piece like so. So you want to make sure that everything is flush and secured by pinning them together, and then take that to the sewing machine and do the same thing as you did for the first side. So now that we've got both sides sewn and the zipper is in place, you want to go ahead and give it a good press. You want to press the inside pieces and also the outside pieces. So now I'm going to do overstitching on both sides of where the zipper is. So you want to go ahead and do the same thing. So for the tab, I'm just going to go ahead and fold it in like so and then sew all the way around. So next thing I'm going to do now is sew the bottom part of the pouch together. So before that, I'm just going to go ahead and pin everything in place to make sure that everything is even and flush together, and then just take that to the sewing machine and just give it a straight stitching all the way down. So to finish off your seams, if you have a serger, this is where you need to utilize that, but given that I don't have a serger, I'm just going to use my pinking shears. Alternatively, you can also use your zigzag stitching at this point, so it is up to you. So now what you want to do is open up the zipper sort of like midway point. So you want to open up the pouch so that the bottom seams can come up to the zipper point. This is where we're going to be adding the tab. So you want to make sure that the loop of the tab is on the inside like so, and once you're satisfied with the positioning, you want to pin that in place and sew the side shut. So we're going to do exactly the same thing from the other side. The only difference is that because the zipper is open on that side, you want to make sure that they're as close together as possible and pin that in place. So once you finish with the both sides, you can zigzag stitch it to finish it off, or you can use your serger if you have one. Now we're getting to the final bit. Now you want to mark about 2 inches in on all the 4 corners, like so. Pop the corners open like so, and find a way to lay that flat on the table, because you're going to be marking a straight line from that 2 inches point across. So it's like we're trying to form a triangle. So once you've done that for all your 4 corners, you want to sew across that line you've just drawn. And once you finish sewing across the lines, we can then cut off the triangle piece. Now that all the 4 corners are sewn and finished off nicely, we are ready to turn our pouch inside out, and it is finished, guys. It is finished. This is the end of the tutorial, and I hope you have found it very useful. And if you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.